everyone! Welcome back to another video of HS Edu Services. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English grammar. Specifically, we'll be exploring the 12 tenses in English. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of each tense and how to use them with confidence. Let's get started. English tenses are divided into three main categories: present, past, and future. Each category has four types of tenses: simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. Let's break them down one by one. Present tenses. Simple present tense. Usage describes habits, general truths, and everyday activities. Example: I play soccer every Saturday. Present continuous tense. This tense describes an ongoing action in the present. For example, I am playing soccer right now. Present perfect tense. This tense describes an action that happened at an unspecified time before now. For example, I have played soccer. Present perfect continuous tense. This tense describes an ongoing action that started in the past and continues up to the present. For example, I have been playing soccer for an hour. Welcome to the world of past tenses. All right, let's dive into the simple past tense. It describes a completed action in the past. For example, I played soccer yesterday. Now let's explore the past continuous tense. This tense describes an ongoing action in the past. For instance, I was playing soccer when she called. Past perfect tense. This tense describes an action that was completed before another action in the past. For example, I had played soccer before it started raining. Past perfect continuous tense. This tense is used to describe an ongoing action that was completed before another action in the past. For instance, I had been playing soccer for an hour before it started raining. Future tenses. All right, let's dive into the simple future tense. This tense is used to describe a future action or event. For example, I will play soccer tomorrow. Future continuous tense. This tense describes an ongoing action in the future. For example, I will be playing soccer at this time tomorrow. Future perfect tense. This tense describes an action that will be completed before another action in the future. For instance, I will have played soccer by the time you arrive. Future perfect continuous tense. This tense describes an ongoing action that will be completed before another action in the future. An example would be, I will have been playing soccer for an hour by the time you arrive. And there you have it, the 12 tenses in English grammar explained with clear examples. I hope this video helps you understand how to use each tense correctly. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to HS Edu Services for more educational content. See you in the next video.